Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and for today's video guys, wala tayong gagawin guys kasi for today's video guys ay ang gagawin natin guys ay nandito lang tayo sa bahay guys. At pasensya na guys kung nagtatagalog ako ngayon guys. At yun na nga guys, for today's video guys, ang kasama ko lang ngayon sa bahay guys ay yung pamangkin ko guys na si Peterson Cardosa guys, at puntahan natin siya guys kasi ito yung bahay namin guys. Ang ginagawa ni Peterson ay nanonood lang siya ng TV guys. Puntahan natin siya.
Early 20th century craft aesthetic. Big on charm. Not the sensibility.
Kasi pangasay mong kitanaw. Kasi pangan. Salida.
Balay.
Unsa? Wala kay klase. Wa kay klase. Asa mag imong mama? Asa mag mama? Lugsong? Asa mas lolo? Asa mas lolo?
Wait, don't go in there. It's my man cave.
At ayun guys, manigitanaw ni Peterson niya salida guys.
The X12 limited edition. Oh, this car is sensitive. I'm the only one that can drive him. Not a problem. That freeze ranger muzzle up pretty good. Yippee! Shipping the UX is directly here at the race. Orientation is on level 5. Better study hard. There's a test. A tough test. It's gone.
Alright, we'll use your comfort for screening so we won't leave anything alone. We won't leave anything.
Asa may iyong mama? Asa iyong mama?
It's been a long time. Mr. Optimus said he'd let us know when it's okay to come out.
It's never gonna be okay. Ghosts tried to capture us twice.
Then maybe you should have an outlet switch in the middle of the night.
And like she
At
does have like a
ito na nga guys, wala lang kaming ginagawa guys. Magbi-video lang tayo guys, at nakita nyo naman na nanonood lang ng TV si Peterson kasi wala silang klase ngayon guys. Kaya ayan, nanonood na lang siya ng TV guys. Kami lang dalawa yung nandito sa bahay guys. Ayan, ito yung mesa namin guys. At ayan si Peterson na nanonood ng TV guys.
Ranger Malto. Welcome to Ghost Orientation.
Should've known you'd be part of this. Where are my kids?
The safest place I could think of.
Pupunta tayo sa labas namin guys. Ito yung itsura ng sa labas ng bahay namin guys. And guys, medyo mainit yung labas ngayon guys. Sobrang init guys. Papakita ko sa inyo guys. And guys, ang init guys ngayon guys. Wala kang makikitang tao na naglalakad guys kasi ang sobrang init talaga ngayon guys. Asa ba yung mama?
Mama?
Asa ba yung mama?
Wala na.
Aging papa asa man? Asa aging papa?
Whatever it takes to keep this creep away from
Usay pangan sa imong gitanaw? Asa man? Mo nagsalida nga gitanaw ni Peterson guys. At yun na nga guys, para may naisipan ako guys, kaya para may gagawin tayo ngayon guys ay ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo yung kwarto nila Peterson guys. Guys, punta natin yung ipapakita ko sa inyo yung kwarto nila guys. At nandito tayo sa kwarto nila guys. Yan, ito yung kwarto nila guys. Guys, ito yung kwarto nila Peterson. Wala naman tayong gagawin.
Ease on the brakes, Alex. Classified call, civilian. This is Schloter. Report.
Sir, we have 2 cons in custody at HQ. One matches the description of the perpetrator. Small stature, Cybertronian drone offload.
Hold in there. I'll be...
I don't want to be married to Ronnie.
Aw, I let you guys angry.
Then you'll love us as a team. Truce?
Ayun guys, nanood lang, walang ginagawa si Peterson guys kasi wala naman siyang, sinabi ko na kanina guys na wala naman siyang klase ngayon guys. Kaya ayun guys, nakita nyo guys na nanood lang ng TV si Peterson Cardosa guys. Pasensya na palaga guys kung nagtatagalog ako guys, pero yung totoo guys ay Bisaya ko talaga guys. Bisaya talaga ako guys kasi for me guys I prefer ko talagang mag-speak ng Tagalog guys. Pero gusto ko namang mag-speak ng Bisaya guys. Ayan guys. Wala lang tayong gagawin ngayon guys.
Nice job, Peter. Stand down.
Lemonade. Right now, I want all the love. You can give me
Secret exit.
Mingay, there's Mingay. Mani aga mong kuan guys. Ito yung pusa namin guys. Si Mingay pa ngayong pangalan niya guys. Ay Mingay, dali Mingay. Dali. Dali Mingay. Dali Mingay.
Hello. You go monster hunting? That's solid. It's bad. Why can't I didn't tell you. I shouldn't be scared. Who's dead?
Dali Mingay, Mingay.
It's my job to be brave for you. Like when I used to catch monsters under your bed. There's nothing scared of monsters around here. I never told you that it was a special thing. You don't have to be brave. You have me. We have them in bed. All of us have the terror.
Jog lungas Mingay, paminaw. Ayun guys, may pimples ako guys. Hindi ko alam guys kung bakit may pimples ako ngayon guys for today's video guys.
swoops down, silent as twilight. The prey never sees it, and there is no escape from the walk. This walk stuff anymore.
The walk. What now?
Too old. My grandfather fought the walk with these bastons, and he saved a lost child's life.
But you never saw the walk, right?
That never stopped us from searching for it every time the signs appeared. You always have to be ready.
Speaking of ready, I'm late for gaming practice.
So, on nights just
Yung
like
mas
this
ingay.
one,
Ang inaw, liyog lungas.
Cybertronium. I, Dr. Meridian, will rid this planet of your invasive species.
Wala mo ganun guys, liyog lungas.
Why didn't I choose an arm with a built-in weapon? So many
Doctor and dropping straight buckets from way downtown. Seriously, how'd you do that? I'm happy to show you. Actually, there's a lot of if you're free. And another attempt to read my diary.
Asa mas lolo? Asa mas lolo? Mong mama?
That's part of it. I'm in.
see here, this mark shows when the tree was hit by lightning. And here is a year. Good rain. You know all that from a stump? My grandfather taught me everything carries a story. He's why I love history. He used to say, the past is the present, present past. What does that mean? I don't know. I just enjoy remembering things my Lola said. Lola? That's Tagalog for grandfather. Have I never told you I grew up in Bohol in the Philippines? What? I won drag races at the old Tagalarian City Airport. No kidding! I'd love to hear your... Let me tell you why we're out today. The Wak Wak. Wait, Wiki has a Wak Wak? You know what the Wak Wak is? A huge vampire bird that attacks people? That's something you forget. Say it makes less noise the closer it comes to its prey. Then it's time for my Lolo's lesson on Wak Wak defense. All right, speak it to me. Ah, you flatter me, Ripley.
Covering you, Daxon 24. What's up, Twitch?
Said I was sorry. You didn't. I said it quietly. Shut up. My milkshake is empty.
Asa maging mama?